Hello.
Hello.
You can hear me? You can see me?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
And today our net is also doing very well. So,
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. We are ready to go.
yes. So, what's your full name?
My name is Kumaran K.
Okay.
Kumaran Kumanan.
Okay.
I'm from Chennai.
Okay. So tell me about yourself, Kumar, and like how did you start and what are you and at what position are you
Yeah.
now? What are you doing?
Yeah. I'm a psychologist basically.
Mm-hmm.
Besides that, academically I do my research. It's about to be completed soon. And apart from that, I'm a songwriter
Mm-hmm.
and I write for sports articles in the web,
Mm-hmm.
whatever freelance kind of.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever they ask, I write, especially for cricket. I'm more interested in cricket, so I was a fan for the last 20 years. But last year I started
Yes.
writing. Yeah, since my ninth year.
Okay.
Since 1999, I'm watching cricket. Suddenly, I got the urge to write for someone else. Apart from Facebook, beyond Facebook, I wanted
Mm-hmm.
to write for someone else. I got a call through a friend, and I agreed to the terms and conditions, and we started working.
So what was that first work?
Basically, it was for a site. It was for a private site. It's a big site. It is. So
Okay.
we had to cover the. I had to cover the IPL
Mm-hmm.
last year for the Chennai Super Kings team. Their matches I had to write up on.
Okay.
Whatever they do in the match, I have to write up and send it to them, and it will appear in the next day.
Okay.
Each
That's
match day I worked on,
sorry.
and it was followed by the each match day I worked on,
Mm-hmm.
and it was followed by the World Cup
Okay.
for India.
Okay.
India games I covered.
Mm-hmm. So that was
Before
a
that,
great.
I was working. That was great experience for me. Before that, I was working in a regional site.
Mm-hmm.
Suddenly, I got here, and I had to write here too. This was a big platform for me in an unexpected way because for the last 5-10 years, I have been writing in Facebook randomly.
Okay.
Generally, my thoughts I used to pen down. So
Mm-hmm.
when seeing that, people got to know me, and one of my best friends, he got to know this, and he asked me if I could write for a site. So and he gave my contact to his friend, and I got through that.
Very nice. So a lot of contacts you got.
I think so. Long way to go. So this was one angle. So this was one angle, and then I got to songwriting.
Okay.
Poetry started in my life from my autobiography.
Mm-hmm.
I was the first person with cerebral palsy
Mm-hmm.
to pen an autobiography in Tamil.
Wow.
In English, we have Malini Chip. She wrote her biography. That was the first in India.
Okay.
But in Tamil, mine was the first.
Okay.
Yeah. So while writing that, for specific chapters, I needed some poetry. I tried to write something in few lines.
Okay.
So when trying out that, I got the crux of the poetry, and
Mm-hmm.
I kept on writing. Even
Mm-hmm.
after finishing that biography, I kept on writing randomly again in Facebook. So my dad saw that, and he wanted me to compile poetry collection. So
Okay.
I worked on that for a few more years, and we got to collect 50 to 75 poems, and we published it again in Tamil.
50 to what?
50 to 75 like that
Okay.
poems.
Okay.
So we have to collect that much number of poems, and on whatever topic I like, on generally about the disability and the accessibility kind of stuff, and even about cricket and cinema, even about love, everything, whatever I know, I wrote down. And that
Okay.
work and that book came. Then after a few years, I got a chance about on songwriting
Mm-hmm.
through my brother.
Mm-hmm.
He is into movies.
Mm-hmm.
He is working in the direction department.
Okay.
He's going to become a director soon.
Okay.
So he suggested me a film of a friend. That guy featured in this film. So when they were generally discussing, he asked that friend, my brother could do this. Why not? Why don't you tell the situation? I'll tell to him and get that song done. So I got this situation and I got into this movie. It was quite interesting. Through a supporting
What
actor.
was the name of this movie?
It was called Nenjamundu Nermayundu Odu Raja. That means we have a heart, we have a honesty, run king. Like that.
Okay.
It's a political subject.
Okay.
The political satire, it's a comedy movie.
Mm-hmm.
So my situation was basically to tell whatever happens in the election in a comic way.
Mm-hmm.
The election process, campaigning process that will go on, no, that has to be told in a comic way. That's what I was got informed. Then I started writing the song overnight, and I completed the lyric in one night, and that got under some correction. I showed it to my dad. He also wrote something. He was writing something parallelly. Even before I started writing the song, he was writing his own thoughts parallelly. He finished it before me. So I got scared.
Okay.
I got scared and I finished my song and we sent it to my brother and my brother sent it to that unit, that actor. So that brother came and direct contact with me. We discussed the song further and we developed the full structure. I got the tune and wrote for it. So that's how the song completed. And the movie came in in a grand way. It is
So you first wrote the song and then the music was composed on it?
No. Actually, the concept was informed to me. I wrote something for that, basically.
Okay.
Then it they got happy with that, and then they gave the tune. This is the actual tune. You write for this. You write within the limitation. You write within the tune. Then we will take it forward. That's it. Then I wrote again for the tune, and then the song got okay. So then few months later, the movie came. I went to the audio launch and I was received very well. And I saw the movie on the first day. I felt very happy to see my name. And then I came. It was a very pleasant experience.
What an achievement. You might have felt proud of yourself.
Yeah. Actually, as a matter of fact, I wanted to be a writer. I wanted to be a script writer. That is why I wrote my autobiography. I wanted to make it as a film, as a matter of fact.
Okay.
I got the main idea when I was 17.
Okay.
For that particular autobiography kind of a plot, I got the main idea when I was 17. So I imagined it and I wrote some random things with fiction, of course, with fiction, kind of a scientific movie. That is how I started writing.
But at the age of 17, you wrote the autobiography?
No. The basic plot for the autobiography.
Okay.
The autobiography actually came when I was 23.
Okay.
This thing is different. Based on myself, I was imagining a fictional story. So I had so many concepts in mind. I kept on imagining so many things. I saw some movies in Bollywood like Chak De India, coincided with my imagination. Sports is my main interest, right? As I said, I love cricket, so I thought about cricket also. So I wrote so many things. Eventually, I found out it is very tough to write a script and all, and we have to convince a director. That is very tough, right? Practically very difficult, far from possible. So when I got the opportunity to write poetry, and my family also encouraged it. Very encouraging family. Both my mom and dad, they encouraged it. My brother gave me a chance and I ventured into lyric. This was an easy way to tell a story. Again, we are telling a story, but in a shorter way, right? Every song has a story behind.
Yes.
That's how I feel. Every song has a story behind. That's how I feel. And after writing this, my brother again came. He gave another opportunity, this time with his friend. with a closer friend of him. He wanted to make a movie. That friend wanted to make a movie, and I became a part of it.
Okay.
That has 3 songs for me.
What?
3 songs for me. 3 songs that
Three
movie
songs.
has.
Okay.
To be written by me. That
Mhm.
movie has many songs. To be
Mhm.
written by me, it has 3 songs. I
Okay.
completed 1.
Mhm.
2 to go. 2 to finish, actually. That's they'll give the tune to me anytime soon. They will give the tune to me, and I will complete it. In between, I'm getting some opportunities, and I'm trying to write.
So, do you have a blog where you do blogging, or you
Actually,
write?
I don't believe in blogging.
So, what
I write in.
what do you? I mean, how do you post your thoughts or your?
Yeah, in Facebook, as I said earlier, in Facebook.
Sorry,
Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah, only on Facebook.
Only on Facebook.
Mainly. Actually, I'm in Twitter, I'm in Instagram, but posting that thing mainly comes under Facebook.
Okay.
Obviously, we can't write much in Twitter now.
No, you cannot write a lot on Twitter. You can only
My
write on
my posts
Instagram and
my
Facebook.
posts are very somewhat very big, and so that I prefer Facebook.
Okay. So you don't do blogging, only on Facebook you put your posts.
Actually, I've read many blogs. I even tried to make one, but it didn't work that way.
Okay.
Because every time I have to share a link now, that was
Yes.
boring.
Yes.
So I directly
Yes,
came
that's
into
boring.
first that was Orkut, then I came into Facebook, and then Twitter, then Instagram, and that's all.
Okay. So what would be the dream actor you would love to work with? Who would be the dream actor?
Actually, the entire Tamil industry is a dream. It's a
Okay.
dream for me. And
Wow.
actually, as a matter of fact, I said I wanted to be a story writer, right? We have such people on both the sides of our family.
Mm-hmm.
On one side, my maternal granddad, he was a story writer, script
Okay.
writer,
Mm-hmm.
very reputed name. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
in the 60s and 70s.
Okay.
So I got inspired from him. We spoke a lot. When I was very
What was
young,
his
we
name?
spoke a lot. Balamurugan.
Okay. So he was your inspiration, your first inspiration.
So first inspiration. Then came my uncle. His name is Kumaravel.
Okay.
So we live in the same house. My uncle
Okay.
and I live in the same house, same
Okay.
building.
Okay.
So we meet almost daily.
Okay.
So we watch a lot of movies together. Irrespective of the language.
Mm-hmm.
Only we need subtitles. That's all. So on both the sides, I had some people like that, and even my brother is into movies now.
Yeah, your brother gave you the first chance.
Yeah, first chance. And then meanwhile, my maternal uncle, my mom's brother, he was into Telugu cinema.
Okay.
So naturally, that urge came into me.
Mm-hmm.
Even though I am on one side, I'm academically qualifying myself as a psychologist or whatever. But this is from the beginning. From the beginning, I wanted to venture into movies. Somehow it happened. Although I couldn't fulfill one wish, I fulfilled the other.
So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? 5 years down the line.
Yeah, 5 years down the line. I understand. People has to know me, whatever I'm doing. If I'm a psychologist, they have to know me. He will offer a good service.
Mm-hmm.
We can believe him. If I'm a writer, if I'm a songwriter, they have to believe me. This guy will write for whatever situation or whatever tune, he can pull it off. That belief I have to create. So that I will get more chances.
Okay.
So from now itself, in whatever I'm doing, I'm trying to create that impression.
Okay.
I'm trying to listen to whoever come to me, be it in the counseling room or in my working space for the songs. I try to listen as much as possible.
Okay.
Then I give my thoughts, and they'll take it away. So that belief would come, no matter who says it. Sometimes my brother explains something, and sometimes a client comes, I have to listen. Listening is a big thing in my life. I talk a lot, that's one thing, but I
Mm-hmm.
do listen to. So that's
So,
how it's happening.
what was
I
your
want to be
sorry?
I want to be the I want to create a belief basically.
Okay.
Being the best is the next thing.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone wants to be the best, but the belief that has to last longer. Yeah,
Very deep.
that's what I wanted to say. Yeah,
You think very deep.
thank you very much.
Okay. I just wanted to ask you, what would be, I mean, what was the biggest achievement when you felt, yeah, that this is the moment of my life?
It's yet to come.
It's yet to come. Wow.
It's actually yet to come.
Yet to come. Okay.
It may be the completion of my doctorate. It may be when I get a national award for the song, whatever song I write. It may be anything,
What
but
was
the
the
best
first
moment is yet.
achievement you got? What was the first achievement award? Any first achievement you got?
Uh, Actually, there was a moment
Okay.
in the same hospital I took treatment for
Uh-huh.
my palsy when I
Okay.
was very young.
Uh-huh.
The same hospital management gave me a role model award.
Wow. That's good. That's
It was a
amazing.
government. It was a government rehabilitation center in Chennai.
Mm-hmm.
I was taking treatment there for 8 or 9 years. Suddenly, they called me recently.
Mm-hmm.
They gave an award to me as a role model. That was very sweet.
That was very sweet. Very sweet. Might have felt really nice.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So what would be the best movie you would recommend
Uh,
people to watch in
yeah,
Tamil?
yeah. I have been doing many these kinds of things I love.
Mm-hmm.
Writing about movies and cricket. If you see my Facebook wall, this will be there.
Okay.
Everyone is thinking I'm deeply into the movie industry, but I've just entered. But if you see my wall, it won't look like that. Because whenever I watch any movie, be it any language, I used to write a few lines.
Okay.
So that is how I developed my passion
So
in
what is the
movies.
best movie you would recommend? Best movie?
Yeah. I told about my uncle who lives in the same house, right?
Haha.
We meet often and we watch movies.
Mm-hmm.
Once he gave me a movie. He made me watch a movie. He told, watch the first 28 minutes. If
Mm-hmm.
you don't like, we will switch over. We'll
Mm-hmm.
do anything.
Mm-hmm.
We'll watch any random channel or we will switch off the TV and speak something. But if you cross the first 28 minutes,
Mm-hmm.
it will be the greatest experience of your life.
Okay.
We started watching the movie. The
Mm-hmm.
28 minutes got over and I completed the full movie and I was blown away by the narration. It was Saving Private Ryan,
Mm-hmm.
Spielberg's movie.
Okay.
The first experience of watching that movie was such an amazing experience. I'm still to forget it. Even before that and after that, I watched so many movies of the same director. But this was very special.
What was the name of the
That was
director?
Spielberg, Steven
Spielberg.
Spielberg.
Spielberg. Okay.
Yeah.
So you
That
recommend that
movie
movie
came.
to everyone?
Yeah. All time, anyone, anytime, they can watch if they cross the first 28 minutes. It was a
What is the
long
name of
war
the movie you
sequence.
said?
Saving Private Ryan,
Okay. Okay. I will certainly
1998.
watch it.
Yeah. Check out if you haven't.
Sorry?
Check out if you haven't.
Yes.
You
Yes.
won't regret.
So, is there any specific actress you like, your crush?
Yeah, obviously. In this age, I'm just 30 now. Just turned 30 earlier this month. I
Mm-hmm.
have had a lot of crushes.
Belated
Alia Bhatt is
birthday.
the
Belated
very
happy
recent one.
birthday.
Yeah, thank you. Alia Bhatt is the recent one.
Who?
For the past few years.
Alia Bhatt.
Alia. Yeah.
Yeah. She's quite cute. And any Tamil actress?
Yeah, Tamil actors, we have Kirti Suresh. We
Okay.
have Samantha Ruth Prabhu.
Okay.
Many people are there. But Alia, I'm very shocked to see her. since Highway,
Mm-hmm.
I'm yet to watch her first movie. That is
Okay.
a different story. But since Highway, I have been blown away by her, whatever she does. So I used to watch. Everyone used to troll me based on that. Gently, not heavy troll. Gently, everyone, as they know, they'll say, Alia is coming, watch it. They'll
Okay.
tag in the pictures and all.
Wow. So,
Your girl is coming, you watch it. You watch the video, you watch the picture like that.
so, what is the next project you're coming with? What is the next work you would be coming with now?
It is yet to be titled. You mean in movies?
Sorry?
You mean in movies or books? You mean in movies or books? Which one?
Both. Tell me about the book.
Yeah. It is a psychological novel. I'm writing it. I'm yet to title it formally. I'm writing it. I will finish it and then title it, probably. It involves various characters from various parts of India.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to say is everyone in the country has some problem or the other. Problem might arise anywhere. So we have to take the right measure to heal it. So I'm using characters from various states of India to convey this message. One person will be from Delhi, one person will be from Mumbai, like that.
Okay.
Every story will converge in one point. That is what I'm planning.
Okay.
So that's bilingual. It will be in English and it will be in Tamil. My
Okay.
autobiography also got an English release. It had translation. I named it CP to CP, my autobiography.
Okay.
After writing the original version, we translated it into English. I wrote by myself.
Okay.
I didn't request anyone else. I wrote it by myself. Spent another few months and I got it ready and we released it. So this time also, we had to. I'm planning to make it a bilingual.
Bilingual. Okay.
Then release both of the copies together. Poetry I couldn't do in English for obvious reasons. I'm not that fluent in terms of English and poetry.
Exactly.
So
it becomes really difficult from one language to another. Poetry.
So that I kept it with Tamil. That was enough. That was another story. Okay. But this book has everything within it. You may call it a novel. You may find songs. That is our plan. We have few songs in it, kind of poetry.
Okay.
Few lines I've kept in between. So that is why I'm planning. As per the movie is concerned, I told you now I have 3 songs in it. So I have finished one. I'm yet to get tunes for 2, and it's said to be titled. It will be a very special movie for me.
What was the title of the book?
Which book?
The one you are going to launch now?
No, I'm yet to title it.
You yet to title it. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just writing.
Okay, I just wanted to ask you. We have a program on 15th of August, a small program.
Okay.
Where
what program?
A small program on Insta Live. I will be interviewing Mr. Anuj Saxena. He is a singer, and I want him to sing something original for the PWD community.
Okay.
Okay. So, you know what is PWD, right?
Right, person with disability.
Yes. So, so I wanted you to write some lyrics, something original, so that he will put in the music and he will sing it for us.
All right, but in what language do you need?
In Hindi.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I can speak. I speak daily. I use it daily, but I don't know if I can write and all.
Try it. It's not much you have to do. Only 4 to 5 lines.
Okay.
Try it.
4 to 5 lines.
Yeah. Not much.
Okay. Then
we'll put music and let's see what we can construct out of it.
If it is a full-fledged song, that is impossible.
That is very difficult. I'm not saying full-fledged song.
If it is 4 or 5 lines, then I'll write.
Some words of inspiration, something.
Yeah, that I got.
Okay. So this was a short introduction of Mr. Kumaran. And thank you for giving me your time.